Okay, first of all, please don't mind my hair. I went to sleep with it wet and it's a mess. Second of all, look at my cute skirt. Hey y'all, welcome or welcome back. I'm Quinn, and today we're just gonna do a little crochet with me, hang out while I try to make something. So I have really been wanting to make a cookie cat. And if you don't know what a cookie cat is, it's from this show called Steven Universe, which I just really love. It's like a Cartoon Network show from a while ago. And there's this thing called a cookie cat in it, which is basically just an ice cream sandwich that's in the shape of a cat's head, and it's so cute. I know that my iPad always likes to reflect what's outside, so I hope that y'all can see this well enough. But this is a cookie cat. I drew this up, I guess, just to inspire myself, even though there's lots of pictures of cookie cat because it's in a show, and I really want to make this. So I got a bunch of yarn. I've never worked with Drops yarn before, but I have heard great things, and I'll link all of this yarn in the description below for y'all in case you would like to make a cookie cat with me. I'm not gonna be using a pattern for this. I'm just gonna wing it because I think it should be pretty simple. You know, it's just like a couple ovals and then like a long rectangle. Attach those and fill it with stuffing. Like, that's essentially all it is. And I will try to write down everything that I do, and if I have time, I will try to write up a little pattern of what I did, and I'll put it for free for y'all on my website. So if you would like to make this exact thing, then there you go. But basically today and maybe tomorrow, I'm not really sure how long this is gonna take to make, we're just gonna be hanging out and having a good time crocheting. I just stepped outside so that I could water my plants and take a little break from sitting, and it is so nice outside. So I think I'm gonna move out there and keep working on my little oval. But I do think I need to take some rows apart because it's starting to get these little pointed corners where I've been increasing. And I don't love that, so I need to fix that. But first, I think I'm gonna make myself a little bit of iced tea to enjoy while I'm sitting out on my balcony. I just wanted to do a little check-in and show y'all the progress I have made on my project. So originally I was trying to do more of an oval shape at the start of my project because I want it to be sort of an oval shape in the end, but I was having trouble with those corners that were coming up. So I decided that I am just gonna make it a circle up until, you know, this row, or maybe I'll do one more row where it's a circle, and then I'm gonna try to start shaping it into an oval. I don't want it to be like an exaggerated oval shape either. I kind of have this like very specific shape in my mind, and I am just struggling to get that shape, but I think this should work. It's gonna be much better than having those corners that were driving me insane. Like I said earlier, I've never worked with this yarn before, and I am really liking it. I can see why people are raving about it all the time. It's super soft. I think it's a blend of wool and alpaca, and that alpaca has got to be doing a lot of work because I think there's more wool in this than alpaca, and it's really soft, like really, really soft. I really like working with it, and you know, I keep having to take my project apart and then crochet it back up and then take it apart again. Usually when I do that, my yarn will just split like it's nobody's business, and you know, like that makes sense, like it's getting worn and I'm, you know, kind of putting it through the ringer. But this yarn, like I've crocheted it up and taken it apart so many times, and it still looks like new, and it doesn't split. Like I've just never experienced that before with a yarn, and I'm just impressed. But I have been sitting for quite a few hours now, and I would really like to get up and move around. So I think I'm gonna go for a little walk, and then I will come back and hopefully finish my first little cookie in this sandwich. So I just wanted to check in one last time before the end of the day and show y'all my progress. Look at this. Can you see? I know it's dark, I'm sorry, but look here, look. It's a cat. It's a cat face made of chocolate. Oh my God. Okay, also, I'm sorry, can y'all hear this music? I just noticed it. My neighbors like to party, I guess. I'm so happy with how the shape of this turned out. It took so much trial and error, like a lot, to get this shape, but I think it turned out really good. So it's like 12.5 inches wide at its widest point, and then it's like a little under 11.5 inches tall, like excluding the ears, which also, these ears, so cute. And this used up like basically one whole skein of that brown yarn, which is exactly what I wanted. So this is just, although it took a lot of trial and error, it is working out pretty perfectly so far, and I am very happy. Oh, the music stopped. Tonight, I think I'm gonna make the other one of these so that they're both done for tomorrow, and then we can just work on the ice cream stuff, like the pink and white yarn. I chained one at the start of every round in this one, and I don't know if y'all can tell, but it kind of created this, like, you can see when I bend it maybe. There's this little line there from me chaining one. Maybe it's easier to see on the back. Can y'all see this line? I mean, it doesn't really bother me that much, but I guess I would prefer if it wasn't there. I'm not gonna redo this whole head just for that, but I think on my next one of these that I make, so the one I'm gonna make tonight, I'm not gonna chain one, and then we'll have both of them for comparison. So if I finish the other headpiece tonight, then tomorrow we can start doing the ice cream. All I need to do for that is make 4 eyes, 2 of each color, to sew on either headpiece, and then I'm gonna make like a big long rectangle that's half pink and half white, and then that is what we'll sew in between the two headpieces to make the little ice cream in our ice cream sandwich. So I think I'm gonna get cracking on that next little cookie headpiece, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.